watching the video in the other room.
Hey, breaking news. The cornbread is done and the vegetable soup is done. I'll show you the soup. Soup is looking yummy. And maybe I'll get Mike to hold this while I get the cornbread out of the oven. He's trying to get Mama to dance right now, but I've got him in here too. But one thing I wanted to say, just in the slight chance that Wesley might see this video, I just want you to tell your mama that I'm wearing this chicken apron in her honor because I love her and I love how she loves chickens. And I should have given it to her, but it makes me think of her, so I'll wear it. Okay, in the meantime, Grandma Betty went ahead and got that out of the oven, even though it was heavy and she ought not be doing it because she had had surgery on her arm. Okay, so we're going to let Mike flip the cornbread.
And you put it upside down on that plate.
There's the cornbread.
You want me to flip it over?
And let's see.
Well, we just have to have two.
Is this going to be a success? Will he successfully flip the cornbread?
Yes. He did.
Woohoo! It looks good. We waited a little bit long. What's that black spot on it? That's interesting. I know y'all want to see that.
No, don't show him that. That's true.
What's going on, Mama? It was because we were doodling around instead of getting that out of the oven quick.
It's probably iron from the iron frying pan, so we'll get a lot
Goodness,
of iron.
we're going to get a lot of iron. Okay.
We will not eat that.
Well, we've got our bowls ready for soup. But did you want to sign off for the
I'm not
evening?
going- Bye. Enjoy supper with us. Come have supper with us.
Wish you all could come sit with us. Have a good night. Love you all. Bye.
you should
Say hi, Mike. Hi, bye.
You should have showed a bowl of the soup.
Time for some new pans for Pastor Mike.
You think so?
Yay.
See ya. Hey, Kim. See ya.
Pour a bowl of soup.